Hey there, it's Jerry Brimacombe from Light Lever Systems. Small business owners ask me all the time, is SharePoint really worth it for us? Or is it another just big Microsoft corporate tool? I mean, that's a great question. And today I'll give you an honest answer so you know whether SharePoint is the right fit for your business. If you run a small business, you know the struggle. Documents scattered across email threads, employees asking which version is the right one, and important files stored on personal computers. That chaos slows you down, and chaos creates risk, especially if someone leaves the company or makes a mistake. Now, the hesitation is understandable. A lot of small business owners think SharePoint is a big enterprise platform, too complicated, or only for huge companies. In fact, before Microsoft started offering Microsoft 365 as a per-user, per-month subscription-based model, it was primarily for large enterprise companies. But now it is quick to set up and affordable for everyone. And honestly, regardless of your budget, if you've ever tried to use SharePoint without training and without a plan, I get it. It can be overwhelming. Let's be real, SharePoint might not be the best choice if you only have 2 or 3 employees working in a single office and you rarely share documents, or if you're already happy living entirely in Google Drive or Dropbox. In those cases, SharePoint could feel like overkill and might not be a fit, and that's okay. But if your business is growing, say 5, 10, or 50 employees, and especially if you're already paying for Microsoft 365, SharePoint is included and becomes a no-brainer. It integrates directly with Office, Teams, and Outlook. It gives you structure, and it scales with you. That's when SharePoint goes from being corporate overkill to being a small business lifesaver, I guess. Here's a quick example. One client of mine had 55 staff drowning in email. Every week they wasted hours just reading emails, opening attachments, and finding files. We set up a simple SharePoint intranet, a home page with quick links, a policies library, and a shared document library. Within a few weeks, the confusion was gone, and their staff felt like they finally had more focus. They suddenly had a company homepage for all the staff to go to, because there is no place like home. With a properly set up SharePoint intranet, you have one place for the latest version of every document and past versions as well. You have a central hub where you can put policies, training, news, announcements, shared calendars, tasks, whatever you need to keep your staff aligned. And of course, you get secure access from anywhere you have an internet connection, office, home, or mobile. Now, there's a catch. I have also seen internet projects fail. When SharePoint is set up without a clear structure and training plan, employees usually ignore it. They go back to old habits. They think SharePoint doesn't work, and it doesn't work for them because it wasn't designed for them in the first place. I've worked with hundreds of small businesses and medium-sized organizations, and the pattern is the same. Once SharePoint is built with the right foundation, the design, training, and coordinated rollout, employees actually use it, and the businesses save time and money every single day. That's why I published the SharePoint in Practice books, the Internet Build Toolkit, and of course the popular Fast Track Intranet Setup Kit. These include templates, step-by-step instructions, and training designed for small businesses. It gives you everything you need to set up your internet the right way without wasting weeks of trial and error or paying for endless consulting hours. So, is SharePoint worth it for a small business? If you're small and happy with simple tools, maybe not. But if you're growing, or if you're already paying for Microsoft 365, then almost certainly yes. SharePoint is one of the smartest moves you can make. I'll drop a link below so you can check out the books and the Fast Track Kit. And if this video helped you, hit subscribe for more SharePoint tips designed for small businesses. Thanks for watching. I'm Jerry Brimacombe from Light Lever, and we'd love to put SharePoint to work for your business.